Hey, beauties! Welcome back to my channel, where we're always up for a sizzling challenge. Get ready for a fiery fusion of makeup and heat. It's time for the Hot Wings Makeup Challenge. I'm excited and slightly nervous, but let's dive in and create a blazing look together. Number 1. Prepping for the spicy adventure. First things first, we need to prep our canvas. Start by applying a lightweight primer to ensure our makeup stays put even under fire. Remember, a strong base is key for any challenge, especially this one. For flawless face, no sweat. As the heat rises, we want our makeup to stay flawless. Opt for a long-lasting foundation and set it with a mattifying powder. We're aiming for a smooth complexion, even in the midst of the hottest of wings. For the eye look, we'll incorporate shades inspired by the fiery spices we're about to encounter. Think warm oranges, vibrant reds, and smoky browns. Blend those colors together for a dramatic, eye-catching effect that screams, Hot Wings Challenge. With a kick. Now, let's kick it up a notch with some winged eyeliner that matches the spiciness of the challenge. As we tackle these hot wings, we'll be conquering that perfect flick as well. Precision and determination go hand in hand. 5 spicy lips. Let's spice up our lips, too. Choose a bold, fiery shade that matches the intensity of this challenge. Whether it's a vibrant red or a deep, sultry burgundy, make sure your pout stands out in the heat. The moment of truth. It's time for the main event, the Hot Wings Makeup Challenge. Grab your wings and let the tasting begin. As we face the heat, we'll see if our makeup can withstand the spice. Remember to have some cooling treats nearby, just in case. Conclusion. And that's a wrap on our Hot Wings Makeup Challenge. It was a journey filled with flames, flavor, and fabulous makeup. I hope you enjoyed this daring adventure with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting challenges like this one. Stay beautiful, stay spicy, and I'll see you in the next video.